Model, 65-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC to 1.6CDTI long MOT needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150262. MOT, 2 September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.61115 PS E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo is rattling and will needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear, no warning lights on the dash. The engine is 100% and just needs a simple survey replacement grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5.